In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a strong password you'll actually remember. Crafting a secure password is more important than ever. With all sorts of cyber threats, having a strong password is like having a digital lock on your online kingdom. Let's dive in and explore 3 methods that will help you generate passwords which are both strong and memorable. First up is using a passphrase you can visualize. This method involves choosing 4 random words that you can easily imagine together. For instance, picture something like a blue monkey, pizza, a train, and imagine them in a scene. To bolster security, you can sprinkle in some numbers and symbols. So our creative passphrase might look something like blue monkey, pizza 1985, train dollars. The trick is to select words that, although random, paint a vivid picture in your mind, making it easier to remember. Our second method is the sentence trick. This approach involves turning a full sentence into a password. Choose a sentence that's meaningful or familiar to you, and then transform it using the initials of each word plus some symbols. Let's say your sentence is, "My dog Buster was born in 2020, so." Transforming this, you get MDBWBI20. This password is tough for others to guess, but easy for you to remember since it's based on a personal sentence. The third method involves technology stepping in for your memory, using NordVPN's password manager, known as NordPass. This tool is particularly helpful for those who juggle multiple passwords, or simply want the peace of mind of having really robust security. NordPass can create complex passwords like 9QR5TGR7X2Z, which would be nearly impossible to crack. The passwords are safely stored, so there's no need to worry about forgetting them or writing them down on sticky notes. NordPass offers the convenience of auto-filling your login securely, which means faster access to your accounts without sacrificing security. Additionally, NordPass provides flexibility, allowing you to access your passwords from anywhere, ensuring that you are always prepared, whether you're at home or on the go. In conclusion, whether you're using a visual passphrase, a sentence trick, or a password manager like NordPass, these methods ensure that your passwords are both secure and memorable. Remember that while technology can significantly aid in managing your digital security, choosing a method that suits your lifestyle and comfort level is key. So go ahead, give these methods a try, and step up your password game today. Stay safe out there, and thanks for watching.